Hey guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today's video is going to be about me two-strand twisting my client's hair. He wanted thick two-strand twists, so that's why I am making them on the thicker side. I'm also going to include a retwist. He came back a month later, and I'm going to show you that month later how it's looking and all that good stuff. I hope you follow his journey. I will make a couple videos. What I am using is I am using rose water and rose water and some avocado oil. I am also using my favorite oil, which is again the avocado oil mixed with the sunflower seed oil, but you can use whatever oil you like. And that's all I'm using. So just continue to watch, enjoy. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want me to do your two-strand twist, I would love to do it. I will put all my information in the video description box. Take care, guys, and be blessed. And don't forget to go ahead and press that subscribe button and that notification button so you'll know when I upload videos. Okay, guys? Enjoy.
Boy, everybody's breathing down my neck, but I have responsibility to you. You think I don't notice you getting in late every night? You're going back home every day? What about my mom? What about that? If I ain't there to take care of it, who is? Look, you were burning it at both ends off the field. I can't have you doing it on the field as well.
Look, man, I left behind my family, my friends, my school. I left behind who I am.
I understand that. I'm trying to protect you.
I ain't come here to be protected. I came here to win. And the way I see it, I ain't the only one with it all on the line here. Now, our best chance at winning this game is with me on both sides of the ball, and we both know that.
Kept waiting. Spencer, what's going on? We're leaving. Get dressed. I am dressed.
And you know what? You look coordinated. You do. It's just, these things are so stupid and protection.
Very easy. Yeah, no, just throw on a blazer and snag that up. Get up. I don't have a blazer here.
Okay, no problem. We'll just swing by your house on the way, grab one, and we'll go in there.
Boom.
No, I mean,
I ain't got one there either.
You know what I say? Honestly, wear what you want.
I'd rather die than be trapped. I'd rather die than be trapped. I'd rather die than be trapped. I'd rather die than be trapped in this living hell. I'd rather die than be trapped. I'd rather die than be trapped. I'd rather die than be trapped. I'd rather die than be trapped in this living hell.
They say all lives matter, but when black lives matter, then really it don't matter. To these straps firing at us, cause they doing what they doing, cause we too busy consuming. Every party favor that they threw in, wonder why we losing, cause we steady on this dumb shit, bouncing to a drum kick, so content with nothing, having fun until the sun hit. Some get a taste, but it's a time and it's a place, and you can't replace your past or the time that you waste. You ain't trying to be great, you just lying in the way of the jungles that we come from, lions trying to escape, or the science of the science. We the rising of the apes, call me Caesar, and if I gotta be the one to lead us, I'm a son of the rain, and my brother named is Jesus. Pay attention, see we ain't got no business in the kitchen, we the henchmen who go out and get it, fathers of invention, and the symmetry of energy, the shit that they don't mention. It's a trap, they push our buttons just so we react, and then label us the violent wars, just because we black, man, it's a trap. You probably never get rich selling crack, but the fact is our children is slipping through the crack, man, it's a trap. The vision that we living in is lack, and the prison is a business that we carry on our back, man, it's a trap. They push our buttons just so we react, and then label us the violent ones, just because we black, man, it's a trap. It's a trap. Since they ain't got no use, they rather lock us up and make us fruit so we can't reproduce. See, the proof is in the media. The music and the leadership. Don't matter who you sleeping with. My kids don't need to see that shit. Crossbreeding with the same evil deeds that they beat us with. Generation curses birth the seeds that'll keep them rich. Even if Illuminati try to crucify me, know I'm going down shooting. For this truth they won't deny me. Say deny me to my face, I deny you at the gates. What if heaven ain't a place and all this faith is just a waste? I say what if hell is real, then it ain't no way to escape. See the thing that I learned through my burdens on this earth is to hope for the best and prepare for the worst. And the church folks the worst folks, cause they only react. Got their eyes on their tithes and the preachers in the back using money to manipulate. It's just another trap. It's a trap. They push our buttons just so we react, and then label us the violent wars just because we black. Man, it's a trap. You probably never get rich selling crack, but the fact is our children is slipping through the crack. Man, it's a trap. The vision that we living in is lack, and the prison is a business that we carry on our back. Man, it's a trap. They push our buttons just so we react, and then label us the violent ones just because we black. Man, it's a trap.
I'd rather die than be trapped. I'd rather die than be trapped. I'd rather die than be trapped. I'd rather die than be trapped in this living hell. I'd rather die than be trapped. I'd rather die than be trapped. I'd rather die than be trapped. I'd rather die than be trapped in this living hell.
Okay guys, so I am wrapping up. I'm almost finished. When I say he has some nice thick hair, his hair is great for locks. Everyone here is different. Every texture is different. So it just all depends on your hair type. I am completely done now. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't, if you will, please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I will put all my information in the video description box. So just in case you want to contact me. Guys, be blessed and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
I'm really glad you remembered, but I don't need your pity.
Like you. Yeah? Yeah. I don't know, something tells me you're full of surprises though. What, you got plans down to hang? I mean, it's cool, come inside.
Okay guys, here is pictures of 30 days after. I am about to retwist his hair. It is freshly washed. I am going to show you pictures of once we are done retwisting. Please stay tuned to his journey.